This video is going to show you how to use audio AI with NX Witness VMS. So on my desktop, now you can see this is the NX desktop client, and I'm having a USB camera connecting to it, making recording. And this is a mirror image of my iPhone, and it's running a cochl Sense applications on the iPhone to use iPhone to detect audio and to work with their cloud to classify different audio sounds. Okay, so we know there are cases that we can use video AI to identify an objects or many different kind of events, right? But there are cases that it could be hard or challenging to use video, but having audio could be one of the way, right? So I'm going to give you two example use cases, right? And I'm also going to show you a quick setup of this, okay? So let's see how they work. This. Okay, so these are two quick examples. One is of them is coughing, another is searing, right? So these two could be very challenging to use video camera to detect, right? Someone is coughing in the room, or there's a first responder vehicle going through intersections, right? But with audio, it could be much more effective to use audio detection for that. Right, so cochl, they offer a edge solution, cloud solution that can classify more than hundreds of different video types. I'm sorry, audio types. Right, I'm going to show you a quick link of that, but before that, let's take a look at the NX setup page so we know we can go to the camera rule. We can go to the camera rule and say there's a generic event. For example, there's a searing sent from cochl, like this. And I want the NX to do a text overlay with a big bold letter of searing detected on this video channel, right? The other one is, I remember this one, if the cochl detected someone is coughing, I also want NX to do a text overlay showing coughing detected. At the same time, whenever there is a audio detection event from cochl, I want to create a bookmark on this or multiple camera channels, right? For the bookmark view, it will look like this. So I can browse through and say, I'm only interested in videos when there is someone coughing detected, or I am only interested in male talking, right? It can do male speech as well. So I'm going to show you a quick link. So this is the NX interface, and I have added the cochl dashboard to it. Let me close this video channel so we can see that in the overview sessions. There are many different kind of audio they can detect it. They are categorized as emergency, like gunshot, screaming, or a glass breaking. It's apparently in the emergency. Human related actions, clap, kiss, or fart. That would be interesting. Human status, baby crying or coughing, hiccup, right? And different types, right? So they also have a webhook services like this, right? So we can send a webhook to NX when it detected a sound, right? So this is where we put in the NX generic events APIs, right? We can say generic event API and do that when we hear something like a gunshot, right? So it will only send a generic event when a gunshot is detected by this webhook, right? So it's really good that they have an open API structure, and we also have an open API structure. So it's pretty easy to set up a POC like this. Yeah, but I would say the iOS app, of course, is just for POC, for sales demo, and for the real project or for a more serious POC, cochl, they have the edge solution that can run on the Axis camera via a cap. It can run on Raspberry Pi. It can run on NVIDIA Jetson. Of course, it can run on Intel or AMD computers, right? And NX can also run on all these kind of hardware platforms, right? So which makes it very easy to combine intelligent video, cloud connections, and even the audio AI detections. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.